Visualize a city where every traffic light, every street, and every pedestrian works together in a perfect harmony. Now, what if I told you that running a successful business is just like running a city? Welcome to the system approach to management, where every part of your organization is a player in the game of success. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will see your organization in a whole new light. Meet Ludwig von Bertalanffy, the genius who said, "The whole is more than the sum of its parts." He is the reason we see business as living ecosystems. Think of your favorite coffee shop, the barista, the suppliers, and the customers. It's all connected. Later, thinkers like Peter Drucker turned this into a playbook for bosses. Ready to think like a management mastermind? Let's go. In the ever-evolving world of businesses, the system approach to management is like viewing your organization as a living, breathing ecosystem. It's not about individual departments or tasks. It's about how everything works together to create something greater than the sum of its parts. Think of it like a saucer team. Even if you have the best striker, you won't win without a solid defense, midfield, and the goalkeeper. Ready to dive deeper? Let's break it down. Management as a system has some fascinating features. Number 1. Social systems. Just like a tree has roots, trunks, and branches, management has subsystems like HR, finance, operations, marketing, etc., all working together to form one entity. Second is open system. Your organization is not an island. It's interact with the environment. Customers, suppliers, competitors, like a tree absorbing sunlight and rain. It takes various resources, allocates them, and combines them to produce desirable outputs that are exported to the environment. Third is adaptive. Your organization must adapt in the world that is always changing. Fourth, dynamic. Management ensures equilibrium within the organization by efficiently managing both internal and external influences. So, management is like a river, always flowing, always adjusting to the new challenges. Fifth, probabilistic. Ever tried predicting the weather? Management is the same. We make forecasts, but there are always room for surprises. Sixth, multi-level and multi-dimensional. It's like a Rubik cube. Every move affects the whole system. Similarly, management operates at multi-levels and encompasses various dimensions within an organization. Seventh is multidisciplinary. Management borrows from economics, psychology, sociology, and more. It's like a chef mixing ingredients to create the perfect dish. Eighth, multi-level aspect. Effective management requires simultaneously analyzing and balancing multiple variables, like juggling 10 balls at once. Yep, that's management. And finally, integrated approach. The interdependence of different subsystems within an organization requires management to integrate strategies to achieve cohesive functionality. Now, let's talk about the core principles that make this approach so powerful. Number 1. Holistic perspective. See the big picture, like a pilot navigating a plane. Second, interdependence. Every department affects the others, like gears in a clock. Third, open system thinking. Your business is continuously interacting with the environment, like a plant in a garden. Fourth, dynamic nature. We all know change is the only constant, so be ready to rotate. Fifth, feedback mechanism. Think of it as a GPS, constantly recalculating to keep you on the track. Now, every management system has 4 key components. Let's talk about it. First is input. It consists of resources like people, money, and materials, the raw ingredients. Second, processes. The magic happens here, transforming inputs into outputs. What is output? The final product or the services that delights your customers. And finally, feedback mechanism. Like a chef tasting his dish, feedback helps you refine and improve. Now, you will be thinking, why should you care? Here's why. It enhances coordination as teams work together like a masterpiece of orchestra. It helps in better decision making. See the ripple effect of every choice. Adaptability. Stay ahead of the curve in a fast changing world. It helps improve productivity. Use resources wisely like a master craftsman. Increased innovation. It helps in solving problems creatively by seeing the whole picture. Here's how you can apply this approach. First is strategic planning, aligning company goals, resources, and operations like a GPS for success. Second, human resource management. You can create a positive work culture where people want to work late. Third, operations and supply chain management. It helps ensure seamless coordination between suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors. And finally, marketing and customers' relations. You can analyze customer behavior to refine marketing strategies. Use data to predict craving, like Netflix suggesting your next overdue. While highly effective, adopting this method isn't without challenges. The first challenge is complexity. Managing multiple interrelated functions requires advanced planning. So, start small, master one gear before fixing the whole machine. Second, resistance to change. It's a big challenge. Employees may struggle to adapt to the new systems. So, sell the vision, get everyone hyped like it's a concert. Next is initial investment. See, setting up integrated systems requires financial commitment. So invest in the tools that grow with you. No need to buy a Ferrari on a bike budget. Information overload. Handling large amount of data can be devastating without the right tools. And remember, not one size fits all. Small businesses focus on key connections, not the whole web, but every great innovation is started with a challenge. The system approach to management isn't just a theory, it's a roadmap to success in a connected world. So, are you ready to see your organization as a system? Let's make it happen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your team, and subscribe for more insights on mastering management. And do not forget to drop a comment below. What's one area of your business you would like to optimize using the system approach?